Welcome back students to my class on marketing management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am assistant professor in the Department of Management at Assam Downtown University. In the previous presentation, I provided you a brief idea about marketing, and here in this particular presentation, I will be explaining in detail about the concept and definition of marketing management so that you may have a more clearer picture. Marketing, more than any other business function, deals with customers. Creating customer value and satisfaction are at the very heart of modern marketing thinking and practice. Some people believe that only large business organizations operating in highly developed economies use marketing. But some sound marketing is critical for the success of every organization, whether large or small, for profit or non-profit, domestic or global. Many people think of marketing only as a selling and advertising. Selling and advertising are only tip of the marketing iceberg. So marketing is a big thing. Selling and advertising are only small parts of marketing. Marketing is one of the three core functions that are central to all organizations. It acts as the customer's voice within the firm, and marketers are responsible for many more decisions than just advertising or sales. Also, it analyzes industries and identifies the emerging trends. It determines the national and international markets, whether to enter or exit. It conducts research to understand consumer behavior as well, and design integrated marketing mix like product, price, channels of distribution, and promotional programs. However, the ultimate goal of marketing is to attract new customer by promising superior value, and to keep the current customers by delivering satisfaction. So these are two different concepts, right? To attract new customers by adding superior value to them, right? For promising them more value for money, so that they come to buy the particular product, they are attracted towards the particular marketing activity that is conducted by the organization. And secondly, to keep current customers by delivering satisfaction. So it is also important to retain the current customers. So therefore, marketing also ensures that the current customers, the already existing customers, are there with them all throughout. With this thing, I provide you with a very important definition of marketing management as given by the American Marketing Association, that marketing is a process of planning and executing the conception, pricing, promotion, and distribution of ideas, goods, and services to create exchanges that satisfy individual and organizational goals. So, this definition says that marketing is a process because there is no end to marketing, and therefore it provides with the execution and the conception, pricing, promotion. So it takes care of the execution, the pricing, promotion, as well as the distribution of the goods, services, as well as ideas. Ideas can also be marketed to create exchange and satisfy individual and organizational goals. So something that is worth value to the customers, which is referred to here as an individual, and something that is worth value to the organization in terms of generating profit. So this is a wide definition of marketing management as is provided by the American Marketing Association. Thank you very much for your time.